Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to the channel as it is the final day of September. September 30th, 2024. CN Hayes here. Good afternoon to you. 14:03 as I'm coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Only Canadian Nationals Superior Submain and milepost 353.17 with a video lined up for you on this breezy day. Going to be in for a real treat today there. Going to have a northbound sand load of the S763 81 of the 30th on the way, with two rebuilds doing the honors on there. We will have the 3405, the new C6M rebuild that was previously GECX nee-BNSF 4592 to lead it solo, and rear DPU will be a rebuild as well, and it is also a SD75I ACC of the 8305 that was previously SD75I 5652. She's showing up into Ladysmith now. Let's flip that camera around and check them out on the roll by. Since it started at Badger Sands in Blair, and we'll head on up to Benbow, Alberta, Canada. So let's check them out on the roll by. And in addition to that, the 8305 will be my first SD75I ACC. Once again, let's check them out on the roll by as we lean back and get them. Here we go. Alright, 1407 S763 is here with the new 3405 and the new 8305. Let's check them out as we'll have gate drop. That and pass over to catch of those two rebuilds. So that'll do it for today's S763 81 of the 30th, and we'll do it for the C6M rebuild of the 3404, which was a GECX nee-BNSF-944CW previously. and the rear DPU of my first SD75I ACC of the 8305 It was previously SD75I 5652. How about that? And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin on this fine afternoon. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. See ya and haze out.